If that box of baking soda you're using to trap refrigerator odors just isn't cutting it, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to add an inexpensive, one-size-fits-all air filter to your fridge to help remove up to 7 times more odor than that box of baking soda. Installing this air filter is easy. It comes with a filter housing, adhesive, and one filter. You can find the kit on our website, searspartsdirect.com. Depending on the style of refrigerator you have, here are some tips on where to add the new air filter. For a top freezer refrigerator, place the air filter near the air damper or return vent at the top of the back wall. In side-by-side refrigerators, put it either near the air supply from the freezer at the top of the side wall or on the ceiling of the refrigerator. In a bottom freezer refrigerator, put the air filter on the back wall near one of the air supply vents. Apply the adhesive to the filter housing and then attach it to an interior wall where air will flow through the filter. As air flows through the filter, the activated carbon in the filter removes odors. To attach the air filter housing to a shelf bracket, insert the housing tab into the shelf bracket and make sure it hangs securely. Tear the serrated edge and pull the window out of the air filter cartridge. Write today's date on the filter cartridge and then insert the cartridge in the housing with the window facing the housing openings. Once you have the kit in place, you just have to replace the air filter every 6 months or so. They come in a convenient 2-pack. Take advantage of our subscription plan to automatically reorder the air filter, and you'll always have a filter on hand. By the way, if your refrigerator uses a water filter, you can automatically reorder that filter too. Water filters in refrigerators also typically need replacing every 6 months.